Pakwach district has imposed restrictions on animal movement following an outbreak of foot and mouth disease. The district has reported over 150 cases of foot and mouth disease in the sub-counties of Aloe, Wadalai and Ragem, with Ragem being the most affected, accounting for 100 cases. To mitigate the spread of the disease, Mr. Moses Arakeli Dalili, Chief Administrative Officer, Pakwach District, said they have restricted the movement of livestock and its products into, out of, or through the district. He added that farmers have been advised to strictly adhere to quarantine guidelines and avoid transporting livestock and animal products from one place to another.
Our field staff, in a routine surveillance, found that sub-counties of Wadalai, Ragem and Aloe sub-counties recorded cases of foot and mouth disease. Majority of the cases were found to be in Wadalai, and then Ragem with one case in Aloe. Consequently, we constituted a district task force chaired by the RDC, and we adopted measures to ensure that we contain the outbreak. Last week when we sat, total number of cases were 105, and more cases were recorded. The number as we speak cumulative now is about 150 cases. Foot and mouth disease is a serious animal disease. We thought it wise as a task force to put restrictions in movement of animals.
Mr. Dalili further lamented that the district has also requested additional foot and mouth disease vaccines from the government to ensure 100% vaccination coverage. He is optimistic that the timely delivery of the vaccines will help slow down the spread of the disease.
Vaccinations are ongoing. We have written to request for 40,000 doses of vaccines to continue vaccinating animals, to keep them safe during this period. And that's what we will do. These are entirely free. These vaccines will be administered free of charge. We were discussing options whether which farmers can do it at their cost, but we found that these vaccines must be accessed from government stores. They are not in private stores, so nobody will sell them from private facilities.
However, Twali Bashile, Deputy RDC Pakwach District, revealed that foot and mouth disease is a highly contagious viral disease that affects cloven-hoofed animals, including cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs. According to Ashile, the disease can have significant economic impacts on livestock production and trade.
Yes, it's true that we have a ban in one of the 3 sub-counties of Pakwach District that are being affected by foot and mouth disease. Last year, our Department of Veterinary, more especially the surveillance focal point person for diseases in the district, detected that there was a disease. And then this report was compiled, immediately sent to the Ministry of Animal Industry and Fisheries, MAIF, for which they sent their experts to verify whether this is what is happening on the ground. It was last year around September. By October, results came out, and samples taken out of the farms in the 3 sub-counties showed that this disease was there. We tried to observe and look around and see. Out of the seven farms carried out, at least 5 were affected.
The restrictions on animal movement in Pakwach District are aimed at preventing the spread of the disease to other parts of the country. The district authorities are working closely with the farmers and livestock traders to ensure that the restrictions are enforced and that the disease is brought under control. This is a gateway to West Nile region, and we are in Pakwach District following the outbreak of foot and mouth disease in Pakwach District. We have ban in 3 sub-counties of animal movement, that is in Wadalai sub-county, Ragem and Aloe sub-county. We have been speaking to the Chief Administrative Officer Pakwach District. He has enlightened about all these ban on animal movement in Pakwach district. Alfred Jawok, Camilla Stansha, West Nile TV, Nilecast.